You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this product or food additive, as well as how to say more vocabulary and food names that many get wrong. Stay tuned to learn more. Xanthan, yes, a Z or Z sound here, not an X sound. Confusingly, xanthan gum, stress on the first syllable. Xanthan gum. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, it helps. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.